You can be very good at what you do, but if your brand doesn't show it, people will not take you seriously. We all know this saying that says, you are addressed the way you dress. So how have you presented your brand online? How have you presented your business? How do you carry it? How have you treated it? These are what determine whether people will take you seriously or not. Because there are people who are not even as skilled as you are, but they are getting more clients. Why is this so? It's because of positioning. How they presented themselves online. Like I always say this, just the way you take care of your store offline, you should always take care of your online presence as well. Positioning really is key when it comes to building your brand online, because at the end of the day, it's what draws people to your brand. And if you don't get people to your brand, how would you sell? It becomes a total waste of time. So in this video, I'm going to show you why people don't take you seriously and how to fix it, so you start getting clients just like others. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for busy business owners. I help them grow their brand online while they focus on what they do best, running their business. And on this channel, I show you how to grow your brand using content, positioning, strategy, and AI. So if you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel right away. Now let's dive in. Let me explain something to you. Positioning is not what you say. Honestly, it is not because you are saying it. It's not because you're actually telling us, oh, I am the number one this, I'm the number one that. No, it is what people see and believe about you. So that is why you have to present yourself well. When someone enters your page, within 5 seconds, they've already judged you based on what they have seen, based on what you've put out. So what are you putting out today? What are those mistakes that you are making that are making them not to take you seriously? Let me show you. Number one mistake is your page is confusing. For example, you sell shoes, but your page is about quotes, memes, random posts that doesn't even show that you are a shoe seller. At the end of the day, I'll start wondering if you actually sell shoes or you are somebody who is just for entertainment. I get confused at the end of the day. And what happens when I get confused? I leave. I look for someone else who will make things clear for me. These are your potential customers will ask. Because trust me, people visit your page every single day. Because in one way or the other, the algorithm pushes your profile to different set of people every day, even though they are not much. So if what they are seeing there is confusing, it is not clear, your content is not making it clear, your message is not making it clear, they won't take you seriously. They will silently leave without you even knowing. So the next one is you don't show proof. See, when it comes to selling to people, especially strangers, we need proof. Seeing is believing. So you have to show us proof that this thing you are selling works. This thing has helped someone. People are actually talking about it. It has helped so and so numbers of persons. It has given so and so number of persons, so and so number of results. You understand? Proof sells fast if you know how to use it. And for example, I see no customer results on your page, no product usage, no rework at all. What do you expect me to believe? Because these proofs are what builds the trust. So I want you to think back now. Are you even putting out any proof at all on your page? Maybe that's why people are not taking you seriously. So now let's move on to the next one. You sound unsure. See, being confident is a strategy on its own. You have to sound confident in what you are saying. You don't have to be a perfect person. We don't even need you to be perfect. Just give us value. That's enough. But you have to be confident with this value that you are putting out. People can actually smell it when you are not confident, especially in your content. How have you written it? How have you, maybe your video, the way you created, the way you spoke in your video, are you even confident about the results you're actually claiming? Because there are people who don't even know more than you, but they are confident with the little that they know. Because how you say it matters, how you put it out matters. If you don't sound sure, I won't trust you. So if you're already getting value from this, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because it helps more people like you see this. So let's continue. Now, how do we fix this? First of all, you have to be clear. Clarity is key. Be clear about who you are. Be clear about who you serve. Be clear about the promise that you have for the people that you're serving. For instance, you sell shoes. Say, I sell quality shoes for working class men. It is so clear. I know you're selling shoes. You're selling quality shoes for who? Working class men, not just men. So you have to be clear, because clarity is what helps you to sell. I want you to know this, that when people you are serving actually come across your content, they see themselves in your content, because you're actually solving a pain point, a struggle that they are looking for solutions to. So when you say like working class men, when a working class man sees your kind of content, like, oh, this is for me, and it makes it easier for you to sell. Just have that at the back of your mind. Clarity is what makes you sell. Next one is fix your profile. Very, very important. Your buyer has to be clear. People you are serving, what you promise them, everything, it has to be clear. You have to have a clear offer. A clear offer is the solution that your product is actually giving to us. How can we get it? What should we do next? Things like that. Just be clear. So the next one is show your work. Like we said, proof sells very fast. Seeing is believing. So show it. For example, Do a before and after. Oh, this person's skin was like this, but after using our products, this is how the skin is. Share your customer feedback. There's a customer that have sent you feedback even in the past. You can take them and post them as content. It helps you build trust. The next one is behind the scene. Show your working. Like, how do you package your products? How do you deliver these things? It helps you to build trust on your brand. It's part of your positioning. Very, very important. Because I believe that most of the people you patronized in the past, or you're even patronizing right now, it is because of what you saw them put out. Their before and after, their customer feedback, the behind the scene. Oh, somebody got this from there. This is what people are saying about their products. Oh, these are the package their products. These are the deliver their products. Oh, this is what their product did for so and so person's face. And you took the bold step to patronize them because of all these things. If these things are actually what drew you to those persons, replicate such for your business as well. And you start seeing that people will start taking you seriously. So before we continue, just in case you are still struggling to show up online, especially those that need content ideas, you can get my 50 content idea pack in the description. It contains 50 content ideas, 20 plus post starters that helps you start your post without you overthinking anything. You have a 30-day content challenge, so you already know what to post for the next 30 days. So it also has a weekly post planner for you, so you already know what to post from Monday to Sunday. So it also has 7 plus content mistakes that are affecting your visibility. So it also contains simple content tricks you can use to keep coming up with content ideas. So this way you never run out of what to post again. You can grab yours with the link in the description. Next one is speak with authority. When you speak with authority, people don't care whether you are older than them, whether you are a young person or you are an older person. They do not care, because they believe that you are speaking with authority. You know what you are doing. You need to start speaking like this. This is what works. This is what I recommend. This sounds confident, right? These are what you should adopt for your business as well. When you put out your content, start content with authority. When you put out your offers, put it out with authority. Either you are doing written content or video content, put it out with authority. This is exactly what I teach inside my visible authority framework that shows you what to post, how to position yourself, and strategies to turn your content into sales. Check out the full details with the link in the description. Now let's do a quick recap. So far, we've learned about why people don't take you seriously, your page being confusing, you don't show proof, you sound unsure, and how you can fix it, being clear, fixing your profile, showing your work, and speaking with authority. So when you start implementing this, trust me, people will start seeing your brand differently, and that is how you start making sales. Dear business owner, you may know so much about your business, how you can help your own audience. The truth is, if you do not position yourself as an expert in that your niche, people won't take you seriously. That is how you lose potential customers, opportunities, and sales. So position yourself as valuable, because if people don't see you as valuable, they won't pay you. If you want to grow your brand online the right way, join my free brand community. The link is in the description. And if you're ready to take things seriously, kindly check out my visible authority framework. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.